Meet the Dolphin S400 Robotic Pool Cleaner. Smart, powerful, and built for effortless pool cleaning. It scrubs, climbs, and cleans your pool, so you can simply relax and enjoy it. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Dolphin S400 Robotic Pool Cleaner, caddy's pole, power supply, caddy's wheels, cartridge filters, cable holder, caddy's base, caddy's handle, and user manual. How to use? Connect the power supply to a grounded electrical outlet and attach the floating cable securely. Gently lower the Dolphin S400 Robotic Pool Cleaner into the pool, allowing it to sink to the bottom before pressing the start button to begin the cleaning cycle. The cleaner will automatically navigate the pool, scrubbing the floor, walls, and waterline while collecting dirt and debris in its filter basket. Once the cleaning cycle is complete, switch off the power, remove the cleaner using the floating cable, rinse the filter basket thoroughly with clean water, and store the unit in a cool, dry place for its next use. Maintenance. Open the filter cover and lift out the filter basket using the raised handle. Release the bottom latch to empty the collected debris, then rinse the filters thoroughly inside and out with a hose. Separate the two filter panels using your thumbs, clean them with water, and reassemble them before placing the clean filter basket back and closing the filter cover. For impeller maintenance, connect the charger to the robot, open the lid, remove the filter basket, unscrew and remove the cover. Insert the impeller safety tool, remove the exhaust manifold, and if necessary, remove the impeller screw to carefully lift out the impeller and clean away any trapped debris before reassembling all components. LED lights. Smart features? Advanced scanning technology intelligently maps your pool to ensure complete coverage while following an efficient cleaning path. It reduces missed spots and delivers a thorough clean every cycle. The Dolphin S400 cleans the pool floor, climbs walls, and scrubs the waterline for comprehensive cleaning. It removes dirt, algae, and debris from every major pool surface. High-speed active brushes loosen stubborn dirt, algae, and grime before vacuuming it away. This provides a deeper clean than suction alone while helping maintain crystal-clear water. Its interchangeable fine and ultra-fine filters capture everything from large leaves to tiny particles. The top access filter basket makes cleaning and maintenance quick and convenient. Control, schedule, and monitor cleaning cycles directly from your smartphone using the MyDolphin Plus app. This lets you manage pool cleaning from virtually anywhere with ease. At the end of the cleaning cycle, the cleaner moves to the pool edge for easier retrieval. The quick water release design drains excess water rapidly, making it lighter and more convenient to lift out of the pool. FAQs. Specifications. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Dolphin S400 Robotic Pool Cleaner. See you at the next one.